Stuck with silent speakers in your Tesla? Let's get your sound back. The Tesla Model S is a high-tech car, but sometimes its volume controls just stop working. Maybe you're turning the knob or tapping the screen, but your audio stays silent, or stuck at the same level. So, what's going on? It could be a software glitch, a Bluetooth issue, or even a problem with a recent update. But don't worry. There are some quick solutions you can try before heading to the service center. First, try rebooting your Tesla. Hold down both scroll wheels on your steering wheel until the screen goes black, then wait for it to restart. This simple reset can fix a lot of small bugs, including volume problems. If that doesn't work, check your Bluetooth connection. Sometimes, your phone or tablet might take over the audio controls. Try disconnecting and reconnecting your device, or turn Bluetooth off and on again. Still no luck? Go into the settings menu and look for audio or software updates. Installing the latest update might solve the issue. If none of these steps help, it may be time to contact Tesla support. They can guide you through more advanced fixes or schedule a service appointment if needed. In most cases, fixing volume control is quick and easy. Give these steps a try and bring the sound back to your drive.